Hello everyone. So with today's session, we are going to cover one more topic from income from other source under head income tax. अगर आपकी जो इनकम है विनिंग फ्रॉम लॉटरीज है या आप हॉर्स रेस में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं और उसमें से आपको विनिंग हुई है, आप क्रॉस वर्ल्ड या कोई और गेम खेलते हैं उसमें से आपको विनिंग हो गई, गैम्बलिंग या किसी तरीके की बैटिंग करते हैं और अर्निंग हो गई, तो वो इनकम टैक्स एक्ट के अंदर कवर होगी अंडर इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स में और टैक्सेबल होगी अकॉर्डिंगली। सो इस सेशन में हम आपको कंटेंट हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों मीडियम में कवर अप कराएंगे और मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि एक्सप्लेनेशन भी आपको दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में दूँ। स्टिल अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी रह जाती है तो आप उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ के क्लियर कर सकते हैं। जब किसी भी तरीके की विनिंग हो रही है हमारी, चाहे हॉर्स रेस से हो रही है या किसी कार्ड गेम्स या किसी गेम से हो रही है या किसी तरीके की बैटिंग गैमलिंग वगैरह से विनिंग हो रही है, उसे इनकम टैक्स की लैंग्वेज में हम क्या बोलेंगे, कैजुअल इनकम, जो कि कवर्ड है अंडर सेक्शन 56(2)IB में। ठीक है। सो किससे डील करता है हमारा जो कैजुअल इनकम है? जो कैजुअल इनकम है हमारा वो विनिंग्स को कवर अप करता है, हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है। ठीक है। और ये इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स के अंदर जो है फॉल करता है। ठीक है। तो चलिए रीड करते हैं इस लैंग्वेज को, फिर बढ़ेंगे सेशन में आगे। कैजुअल इनकम मीन्स एन इनकम in the nature of winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles, races, including horse race, card games, and other games of any sort, gambling, betting, etc. तो ये जो word etc use हुआ है, it's a very wide. So if you have a earning from any of these things like lottery, you have an interest in crossword puzzle and you want some amount, you are interested in race or you bet on those races and you want some amount, card games or any kind of games, any sort of games, betting, gambling, so and etc. It's a very wide word. So under Income Tax Act, IT Act, if you have these kind of earning, that falls under income from other source head. That falls under casual income is chargeable to tax under the head income from other source. So we call these income as a casual income. Okay, this is why we call it casual income. This section 56 of the Income Tax Act deals with the income that is chargeable to income tax head under the head income from other sources. That means section 56 falls on income from other sources, and this section cover various types of income. Okay, which includes like your winning from lottery, crossword puzzle, races, horse race. Okay. So winning from lottery, when we talk about that, that means if you won some prize in lotteries, it may be in cash or in kind. Sometimes you have learned that you won car, somebody won the car, somebody won the houses. That's also covered under this section. Crossword puzzle. So if you won some kind of prize from solving the crossword puzzle in any kind of competition or in magazine or even in the newspaper, that fall under income from other sources. Races, it includes the horse races also. So winning from all type of races fall under this head, including particularly it's mentioned about horse race. Okay, where the winner receive a cash payment or any other rewards that fall under this head. Okay, when we talk about the card games or any kind of games, okay, so card with, like, you can call it a poker, okay, or any other games of any nature, any sports will be fall under this head, that income. Gambling or betting, okay, means you bet, plays any kind of, so suppose it's very famous on the betting on cricket things going on, and that means a speculative nature. Okay, you earn something on that, that will be income from other sources. So all these form of casual income are fully taxable. Remember, all these are fully taxable. These are fully taxable under the head income from other source. There is no exemption. Okay? There is no exemptions, there is no benefit. They are fully taxable under this head, under income from other source. There is no exemption or threshold. Okay? So entire winning amount is taxable. There is a provision of TDS. Hope you learn about it. Don't worry. What is TDS? What is the provision related to TDS? We'll separate deal in the TDS chapter. Okay. So we are just limiting ourselves that there is no exemption. Full amount, whatever the winning amount or the fair market value in case of other in kind winnings. So that will be taxable under income from other source. Okay. And the tax rate in this case will be flat at 30%. So you can recall that we have learned something recent amendment with this casual income. We will cover that amendment separately. Okay. because this video is helpful for those also who are appearing exam in near time, and the amendment will be included separately for everyone. Okay, so applicable rate, I told you, it's a 30% under section 115 double B, okay, of the Income Tax Act. The rate applies without allowing any kind of exemption or deduction. So there will be no deduction under section 80C to 80U, that is chapter 6, okay, or any expense incurred. So no deduction from 80C to 80U, okay, no deduction of any expenses, no exemption, nothing. Full winning amount will be taxable at the rate of 30%. Okay. TDS is applicable. I already told you. There is a criteria I want to just put in your mind, that if a winning exceeds rupees 10,000 as of now, the payer is required to deduct those who paying you that amount. For example, there a person who raised a lottery and you won it. So that person who raised the lottery, okay, they will, if the amount exceeding 10,000, not exactly 10,000, but if it exceeds 10,000, then the payer will require to deduct the TDS, that is tax deduction at source, at the rate of 30% while the time of payment. So when they are going to pay you, they deduct those 30%, deposit to the government, and they'll pay you the 70% amount. You will get the 70%. For example, Kaun Banega Crorepati, everyone is knowing that. So when Amitabh Bachchan is going to give you that winning amount, so not he, obviously the owner of the organizing that game, what they'll do is they will deduct 30% of TDS. Why they deduct? Because it exceed 10,000 rupees. So they'll deduct 30% of the TDS of the winning amount and pay you the balance 70% or whatsoever. Okay, after cess and all. Okay. Hope it's clear. Let me read this, then we'll go ahead with example, some of the example. This section provides the income by way of winning from lottery, crossword puzzle, races including horse race, card game, other game of any sort, or from gambling, betting of any form, would be taxed at a flat rate of 30% plus surcharge if any applicable, plus health and education cess at the rate of 4%. I already told you. However, income by way of winning from online game would not be text under this section. So online games are outside under this section. So scope. No expenditure, allowances allowed from such income. Deduction under chapter 6 say not allowed from such income, that is from 80C to 80U. Adjustment of unexhausted basic exemption limit also not permitted against such income. Suppose you are an individual and you are applying some slab. Okay. So suppose there is a tax benefit of say for 5 lakh. So you consume 3 lakh and 2 lakh left. So you thought, okay, I will use this 2 lakh balance exemptions against the casual income or a winning. You can't do that. That winning will be flatly taxable at the rate of 30%. No exemption, no deduction in any nature, in any form, in any kinds. Okay. I hope it's clear. Okay. So this I am elaborating some about the deduction. No deduction in respect of any expenditure or allowances in connection with income by way of earning from lottery, crossword puzzle race including horse race, card game, other games of any sort, or from gambling, betting of any form or nature whatsoever shall be allowed in computing the said income. Means किसी भी तरीके की आपको expense allow नहीं होनी है. आपने ऐसे किसी भी माध्यम से अर्निंग करी है, चाहे वो हॉर्स रेस हो, क्रॉसवर्ड पजल हो, लॉटरी से आपकी विनिंग हुई हो, ठीक है, या आप कोई गेम जीत रहे हैं, आपने कोई गैम्बलिंग या बेटिंग की, कोई भी इनकम हो रही है ना, वो पूरी की पूरी कैजुअल इनकम मानी जाएगी और इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स के अंदर टैक्सेबल हो जाएगी. किसी भी प्रकार का एग्जेम्पशन, थ्रेशोल्ड कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला है आपको. फ्लैट रेट जो है 30% टैक्सेबल हो जाएगा. ना 80C to 80U यानी चैप्टर 6 का डिडक्शन मिलने वाला है, ना कोई एग्जेम्पशन मिलने वाला है, और आपने कोई खर्चा भी करा है तो उसका भी बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पे. अगर जो आपको मानिए किसी ने ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज लाइक कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, आपके लिए एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, किसी ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया, तो जो पेयर है वो आपको जब अमाउंट देगा विनिंग की, वो TDS काट के देगा कब, जब 10,000 से ज़्यादा की अमाउंट हो जाती है तब. ठीक है. उस केस में वो TDS काटेंगे किस रेट पे, सेम 30% रेट पे आपका TDS कटेगा और बैलेंस अमाउंट आपको विनिंग की पे कर दी जाएगी. ठीक है. अगर आपने फॉर एग्जांपल आपने लॉटरी विन करी है, ठीक है, मे बी वो 5 लाख की है, तो इसे हम कैजुअल इनकम मानेंगे और 30% पे टैक्स लगा देंगे. ठीक है. और आपको जो नेट अमाउंट रिसीव्ड होगी वो TDS के बाद की होगी, क्योंकि ये 10,000 से ज़्यादा है। क्लियर है? ओके। द प्रोहिबिशन विल नॉट हाउएवर अप्लाई इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ इनकम ऑफ एन एसएससी बीइंग द ओनर, ठीक है? सो इट विल बी नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर द ओनर ऑफ द रेस हॉर्स फ्रॉम द एक्टिविटी ऑफ ओनिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग सच हॉर्सेस। सो ये काफ़ी सेपरेट प्रोवाइसो दे दिया, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द हॉर्स रेस। In respect of activity of owning and maintaining racehorse, expenses incurred shall be allowed even in the absence of any stake money earned. Such losses will be allowed to carry forward in accordance with the provision of section 74A. That means ये तो owner है तो उसका business हो गया, that will not fall under this section. ठीक है? उस केस में expenses वगैरह allowed हो जाएगा, that will not fall under income from other source. ठीक है? So I hope this is clear. In case of any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. You have learned that content is given in English. So I'll try to explain in both the language. मेरी पूरी कोशिश रही कि मैंने हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों मीडियम में एक्सप्लेन की, क्योंकि हमारे पास ऑल ओवर इंडिया से डिफरेंट एरिया से स्टूडेंट्स कनेक्ट होते हैं, जिनको जो है दोनों लैंग्वेज में सपोर्ट मिलता है, किन्हीं को इंग्लिश में, किन्हीं को हिंदी में। तो मेरी कोशिश है कि आपको इससे बेनिफिट मिले। अगर स्टिल मेरी कोशिश के बाद आपकी कोई क्वेरी रह जाती है तो आप उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ के क्लियर कर सकते हैं। अमेंडमेंट्स एंड अपडेट्स को हम सेपरेट कवर अप करेंगे, न्यूमेरिकल्स को भी सेपरेटली कवर अप करेंगे। इन कंप्लीट इनकम टैक्स को आप कवर कर सकते हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में, कुछ नया सीखेंगे। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड जय हिंद।